ताकत वतन की तुमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की तुमसे है, इज्जत वतन की तुमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। पहरेदार हिमालय के हम झोंके हैं तूफान के, सुनकर गरज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के। आहा
पहरेदार हिमालय के हम झोंके हैं तूफान के, सुनकर गरज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के।
ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। सीना है फौलाद का अपना, फूलों जैसा दिल है, तन में विंध्याचल का बल है, मन में ताजमहल है।
सीना है फौलाद का अपना, फूलों जैसा दिल है, तन में विंध्याचल का बल है, मन में ताजमहल है।
ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। देकर अपना खून सींचते देश की हम फुलवारी, बंसी से बंदूक बनाते हम वो प्रेम पुजारी।
देकर अपना खून सींचते देश की हम फुलवारी, बंसी से बंदूक बनाते हम वो प्रेम पुजारी।
ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले।
ताकत वतन की हमसे है, वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले।
आकर हमको कसम दे गई राखी किसी बहन की, देंगे अपना शीश न देंगे मिट्टी मगर वतन की।
आकर हमको कसम दे गई राखी किसी बहन की, देंगे अपना शीश न देंगे मिट्टी मगर वतन की। ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। खतरे में हो देश अरे तब लड़ना सिर्फ धर्म है, मरना है क्या चीज आदमी लेता नया जन्म है।
Lord, Trustees Lord, Summit! माही, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Mr. Praveen Parikh, President SCB, to kindly escort Honorable Mr. Justice Ajaz Kapadia, Judge Supreme Court of India, to the dais. I request Dr. Adish Agarwal and other dignitaries to join us in the dais. On behalf of the Executive Committee, Supreme Court Bar Association, I welcome you all to today's auspicious national function. Wishing you all and each and every citizen of the India a very happy 61 Independence Day. Honorable Mr. Justice Ajaz Kapadia, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable other judges, Honorable Mr. Justice Kabir Sahab, Honorable Mr. Justice Sirpurkar Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Singhvi Sahab, retired judges, respected dignitaries, fellow members of the legal fraternity. Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Jain also joined us. It is indeed a proud moment for me and my other colleagues to welcome you all to the auspicious function of the celebration of 61 Independence Day of our great country in the launch of this apex temple of justice. The judiciary in this country is not only discharging the function of a pillar of the national state, but also has come to regard it as a leader of the dynamic social change in this country. In view of other important limbs of the nation state having faltered, the independent, fearless, efficient and honest judiciary is the only hope for the millions of toiling people of this country. I must state that carries of conviction that during my earlier tenure as a Honorary Secretary in the year 2006, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajaz Kapadia and other honorable judges of this court have by their excellence inspired me and my other colleagues to make a humble beginning in celebrating the National Independence Day in the lawn of the Supreme Court to give away yet another strong message to the country as a whole, that the institution of the judiciary is the real watchdog of the constitutional democracy and the leader of dynamic of the social change in every sector of the life. We are celebrating Independence Day in this law since 2006 onward every year. We have received a message from Honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. K.G. Balakrishnan, who is away, who is not in town today. I read the message. On the occasion of completion of 61 years of the India's independence, I would like to convey my best regards to my esteemed brother judges, members of the bar and the staff of this court. I sincerely apologize for not being able to attend this occasion in person on account of an overseas engagement. In commemoration of our Independence Day is the almost significant since it revitalizes our memories of sacrifice and vision of founding fathers of our republic. Being part of the judicial system, this day reminds us of our foremost duty to uphold the ideals and this in our constitution. It informs our thoughts and action in upholding the rule of law and advancing the welfare of our fellow citizens. I sincerely hope that this occasion motivates us to pursue a higher level of personal as well as collective progress as the K.G. Balakrishnan, Chief Justice of India. May I request Mr. Tanveer Ahmed please come forward and present a bouquet of flower to Honorable Mr. Ajaz Kapadia. May I request Mr. Anil Huda please come forward and present a bouquet to Honorable Mr. Justice Kapadia. May I request request Mr. Biju, Member Executive, please come forward and present a bouquet to Mr. Miller Banerjee, Attorney General for India. I request Mr. Praveen Parikh, the President Supreme Court Bar Association, to give his presidential address.
Happy Independence Day to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Mr. Justice S.H. Kapadia, Honorable Mr. Justice Kabir, Mrs. Kabir, Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Jain, Honorable Mr. Justice Sirpurkar and Mrs. Sirpurkar, Honorable Mr. Justice Singhvi, my colleagues, Mr. Adis Agarwal, Mr. K.C. Kaushik, Mr. Ajay Jain, Mr. Manish Mohan, Savitri Pandey, members of the Executive Committee, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Independence Day is celebrated by the whole country. The function organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association is part and parcel of the celebration by the entire nation and by the society. Members of the bar were in the forefront of the freedom struggle. Today is the time to remember the known and unknown, the great and not so great, the educated and the uneducated, the rich as well as the poor, who sacrificed their lives for getting us independence. It is also time to learn from their action and to rededicate ourselves to the nation. The independence has to be preserved, and we are very happy that not only our independence but the democracy is also preserved in our country for last 61 years, and we had to face some wars and hostility with some of our neighbors, and again that time the sacrifice is done by our armed forces and other persons in the society requires to be remembered today. In fact, one reason why Japan came up again from zero is the patriotism of Japanese. And today is the day for introspection whether we are doing enough for the country and the countrymen. There is no doubt that we have come up in different spheres of life. There is no doubt that India today is recognized as a country which matters in the global front. However, the striking and unacceptable fact is that nearly quarter of our population lives below the poverty line. Thus, though we attain physical independence, we are still far from achieving true independence, which apart from political freedom includes social and economic freedom. I like to quote from the Supreme Court judgment, and I quote, "The collective will of the society today wants that if the rich sleep in luxury apartments, the poor should sleep at least with a roof over their head. That if the rich can eat both bread and cakes, the poor should at least eat bread. That if the rich can live in opulence, the poor should at least be able to afford basic comforts of life. If the law is to operate today so as to secure social justice to all, who else can do it but judges whose constitutional task is to interpret and apply the law?" Our constitution